Let's watch the video.
Yes, great. What's the video about?
It's about a dance in Romania. Elena lives in Romania.
OK, let's watch.
Hi, I'm Elena. I'm good at dancing, and I love dances from Romania. This is my town. It's called Tulcea. There's a big celebration in Tulcea every year. Lots of people come here. Lots of children come to the celebration too. They wear costumes from Romania. You can see lots of dancers at the celebration. They do dances from their countries. This dance is from Romania. This is my favourite dance from Romania. It's the friendship dance. You need lots of dancers to do the friendship dance. The dancers make circles. I love doing the friendship dance. It's great fun.
What is Elena good at?
She's good at dancing.
What are you good at?
I'm good at singing.